Hello, this is Ahmad with another Excel lesson. In this lesson, I want to describe you how if formula operate in Excel. If formula include three sections. In the first section, we define logical test. If logical test become true, if formula use the true section, and if the value a logical test become false if use false section. You can use if individually or in circular section. I will describe you how both of them works. But let me to show you with this example. In this example, I want to show you what is the deal name. Deal name. Okay. How many deal you had more than 10,000? This is my total sale, and if I use if, my logical test is my deal more than $10,000. If total sale more than 10,000, so name it excellent deal. I want to name it excellent deal. Excellent deal. But on the other hand, I use nothing. Okay? And if I copy and paste formula, I can find my excellent deal between other deals. And what happened to the remaining question? If my total sale or deal more than $5,000. If you remember, our formula have the false section. I can use if again in the false section and define another logical test for $5,000 and named it good deal according to my question and use nothing for the end of question, because the question is only obtain what is the good deal. If I going to use filter, I can filter good deal. These are my good deal, and you can find my good deal between 5,000 and 10,000. But my last part of question is what is the average deal? The average deal is less than $5,000. If I remove the filter and only define average deal, because when your total sale is more than 10,000, I name it excellent deal. And if it's between 5,000 and 10,000, I name it good deal. So less than 5,000 is our average deal. So I only change the name to average deal and update my formula. This is all of my deal name. Okay? That's it. It's very easy and you can use it for many things and use it for many conditions. Let me to show you another sample how it works. In this case, I want to use if for green questions. How much product price are less than $10? Name them to cheap price product. How much in product category? Okay, I use cat instead of category. And what is the question? How much product? I misspell. Price are less than $10 equal if logical test is price less than $10. My value if true. Name them cheap price product. On the other hand, nothing to use. Cheap price product. If I use filter for less than 10, I can find cheap price product and I named it and I want to show you it's $11 product price and nothing to show you. So what is the average price of product? Price product less than $20 and more than $10. I want to update my formula by another if. If my product price is less than $20, name them average price product. On the other hand is nothing. I forgot to update formula for the last parenthesis. If I use filter again, I want to show you average price of product is 10, between 10 and 20. But I have another category, high price product. I can use it high price product. I'm not going to write another if because this question include the false section of my last if. And if I update the formula for all of them, I can use it as a tree section of product category and deal name. Okay, the formula finished, but when you have this kind of table, it's better for you to create your uh, simple dashboard by a slicer. At the first, you need to create your table, and I suggest you to rename your table product table, and you can use a slicer. For instance, I suggest to a slicer for three type of product name, deal name, and category name. It's created very easily, and you can use filter in very easy and interactive mode. But how? Wait a moment, I will show you. For instance, my excellent deal include this kind of product, and with product category of average price product and high price product, and my high price product include cherry and pomegranate. If I remove this filter, my high price product include cherry, grape, and pomegranate. This is very easy and useful interactive report creation. I hope this lesson is useful for you. Please keep in touch with my LinkedIn, YouTube, and Instagram for further lessons. Thank you.